Alright, today we're going to be learning how to solve law of sine equations. To start out, we're given two angles and a side, so we're just going to put those on our triangle. Okay, so here's the law of sine equation. All you have to do is take the numbers and plug them in for their respective positions. So we're solving for side B. So we're just going to take C, so 3.5 over sine 31 equals B over sine 124. You're going to cross multiply, so 3.5 times sine 124 over sine 31, and that will give us the answer, which is B equals 5.634, and that is rounded to the nearest thousandth. Alright, so the next problem we're going to have to solve is the ambiguous case problem. So here we're given two sides and an angle. So the angle is 62, and the sides are 75 and 84. So as you see, this is side, angle. That means we need to solve to see if there is more than one possibility for an answer. The way we do this is we find the height, the opposite, and the adjacent. We're already given the opposite and the adjacent. So the adjacent is 75. The opposite is 84. The way we find the height is through this formula right here. So 75 sine 62, and that gives us, rounded out, 66 as our height. So we're just going to put signs there. This, if opposite is greater than adjacent, that means that there's only one case. If they were both less than, then that would mean there's two cases, but they're not. So next, we're going to go back to our law of sine equation. Remember that one? And we're just going to plug in what we have. So we have one angle and one side. So since we're finding another angle, we're finding angle A, as you can see over here, we're going to put the sine 62 on the top. So sine 62 over 84 equals sine of A over 75. Then we're going to cross multiply again. So sine 62, 75 over 84. And that is going to give us 0.7883. All we're going to do from there is we're going to take, so sine A equals 0.7883. So we have to find the angle now. So we're just going to take the inverse of this. So sine inverse sine of 0.7883 equals A equals 52.5 0.027, and that's rounded to the thousandths place. And that's your answer. That's how you find the law of sine and the ambiguous case for triangles.